Hello all you good people, my name is Lee, I'm with Zelter. I'm the creator of this here Zelter Shelter and other things good to come, coming that are good. Other good things to come, hopefully. Anyway, we'd like to thank you for watching as we go. Yeah, just today I'm doing a quick one to show you guys how you can put a mosquito net in a Zelter shelter. I get a lot of questions from people all around, people in the States, people in tropical countries, people in the UK, you know, in Scotland. Man, bugs suck, they're everywhere, you know. Your house, someone decided to build a nice place where the bugs live. That's kind of a fact. Anyway, just a very evocative demo to show you guys is actually doing it here. So I'll show you guys how it works. You guys can do this yourself. And if you want, give me some feedback, you know, comment below. Tell me if you got a better idea. I'd love to hear from you and, you know, take good feedback forward, and, you know, that helps me make something better. So anyway, here's a Zelter shelter. We'll open this up real quick and easy. So this is a standard kind of single Promethean treated microwave mosquito net. I got this from Go Outdoors in the UK. OEX brand. Design and development in the UK. So hey, right on. Other brands are available. So I just take it out of the bag. And you find the peak. This is the peak part of the mosquito net. It's got a little loop of ribbon here. So I'll just open my shelter up, find where the end is, throw it in there, doesn't matter too much. Now the inflatable bladder is held on with a series of snaps, so I'll just drop this down. The yellow part's the inflatable. I just undo that snap, take my red ribbon here, and I'll just put it in between the two pieces and close the snap. That's the end. Not too hard there. Just wrestle with it for a second. It'll go. You could do this with a toggle or a loop of paracord, whatever suits your particular net. It's just that if you hook it under this snap, oh, the last time I did this, it just took a second here. There you go, snap. It's back in there. Now what you gotta do is just lift up the net when you get inside. There you go. So, real quick and easy way to put a mosquito net inside a Zelter shelter. Keep the bugs out. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Stay tuned. Check out our Instagram. That's where we post most things. Stay tuned on this YouTube channel. I'll always try to kind of make more. I've had a lot going on the last couple months, as you probably guess. Anyway, new good things to come. This is a wearable Zelter shelter, available from September on Amazon Launchpad. Search Zelter Shelter. And that's how you put a mosquito net in there. I got nothing else to say. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Thanks.